All right, let's do this again. I didn't have the circuit breaker on the power supply. I was like, what the hell? Oh, shit, get down now. This is my son's little base system for his bedroom. I just got it put together. And it's like I said, I got 300 bucks in this. I erased the other video because it sounds better, man. I was like, what the hell? I forgot to turn the circuit breaker on. So I was running on one battery. Here we go. Sounds pretty good. There you go. That's what the power supply on, y'all. Sorry about that. Have a good night. See you.